gonna go and help a fellow who put his snowmobile through the ice on West Lake, which is down by Prince Edward. Got this new battery. Gonna give it a try. There we go. Yeah, that is a big old beast of a battery. I'm kind of excited to try this battery out and see if it's any good. All right, we're making good progress here, people. Is that far enough up, Nick?
Oh God, yeah.
All right, I think that's it for this one. We just got to pack up some stuff. It's getting kind of dark. We just made it in before the dark set in, and all is well.